Hello my lovely friends, hope you're fine, doing well. Today I'm sharing with you very amazing and very beautiful Christmas crafting and ideas. There's lots of amazing creation crafting on your channel at your screen. You can easily apply all these designs and crafting for your upcoming Christmas event, Christmas holiday, New Year festival. So must watch video till then. You must be enjoy. Grab your cup of coffee and relax. How to use simply Jute on your crafting, all patterns and DIY tutorials on my channel. You can also visit and learn how to make your home warm, lovely, cozy. Christmas is not just for fun, it's a memory which you spend with your loved ones, your family, your kids, and they spread onward to generation by generation. So make your Christmas memorable. All design and crafting with the help of jute, amazing texture, fiber. You can decorate your home in budget and eco-friendly. If you like this video, so please must subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends and family. I already stated that I really thankful to your support, your kind attention on my channel. I really need your support, so keep watching and keep supporting me. Enjoy the winter Christmas and decorate your home, your dining table, your ancestors door according to this whole event. Christmas will be completely changed when you decorate something with your own hand. So feel this memory, enjoy this happiest season, and forward a amazing and cute message